Hey, how's it going? Today in this video we are going to unbox Deco X60, which is of Wi-Fi standard AX3000. X stands for Wi-Fi 6. So it says coverage up to 5,000 square feet or 460 square meters, compatible with Amazon Alexa, Home Care, and works with all broadband providers. And it says 3 years warranty. I guess I saw it somewhere. Maybe it was on the other pack. Okay, so before unboxing, maybe I can give you a brief overview of what a mesh is. So if you have if you are living in a house which is of multiple floors and you have just one router which is provided by your ISP, you may notice that your Wi-Fi signal, it's not strong in all of the floors. So if you go further from your main router, you would see a slight decrease in strength. In my house, I face that. I have a 50 megabit per second connection, and it shows 50 megabit per second on the ground floor where my main router is. But if I go to my first floor, the speed reduces by a lot. It's like 100 and sometimes even 50 and even less. So I thought of trying some of the options. One is mesh. I have also ordered normal Wi-Fi extender. I've also ordered power line, internet over power line. So what that means is internet would travel through your power cable, through the wire, the electric wiring throughout your house. So there will be two devices. You would plug one in into the router and the other where you need it. So let's say this computer, I have it here, one computer here on my desk. I can plug one of the devices here and one of the power line adapters there in my router. So I'll compare all the three in a future video, but in this one we will do the unboxing, and in the comparison video itself I'll do how this one fares with the other solutions. So this one I ordered the two. So one is a router. So actually in this model both are routers, so I can interchangeably use it. So I can put one of them connected to my main router, and the other one where I want the Wi-Fi to be strong, or where the Wi-Fi is weak and I want to improve that, I can place the other one there. It comes in a 3-pack as well, but I needed just 2, so I got the 2. Maybe if I need more, I can buy just a single one and place it on my second floor. But now second floor I'm not using, so it's okay. Let's see. So let me open the box. Oh, okay. It's here. Okay, and here we go. Okay, quite nice packaging. It says the steps: download the app, turn off the modem, and then connect one of the Deco to the modem, and then connect both to the power, and then open the app. So let's open one of them. Okay. So this is the device. It has one power to Ethernet, and there's a reset, serial number, SSID, and this. Yeah, and one thing I forgot to mention, what's the advantage of mesh over just a Wi-Fi extender? So if you go with mesh, one main advantage is that you just have one SSID. So you just have one SSID to connect to. All the devices can connect to the same. It detects where you are, which is a nearer router or the extender to that device, and it connects to that, gets a signal from that. If you have a Wi-Fi extender, then you would be having two SSIDs, so the extender would have its own SSID, so it will just take the connection from the main router and extend it, have its own Wi-Fi network. So there will be two. So you have to either change, if you go from one floor to the other, you either can switch the new SSID or the other SSID, or in TP-Link comes, so TP-Link also have a concept called, or a feature called one mesh. So where even if you get an extender, they pair up with a TP-Link router, which is one mesh compatible, and they form a mesh network. So that is one way if you go with the Wi-Fi extender. So those are cheap. So yeah, you can look into that. But the thing is, with Wi-Fi extenders, the max I couldn't find it AX3000 Wi-Fi standard. The max I could find was AC2200, I guess. I don't properly remember, but it was not close to this one. That is one thing. And these two are made, and they are made together and tested together, so the compatibility between these two would be better, I feel, than bringing a Wi-Fi extender and adding a one mesh router. They would be, because both are from TP-Link. They should work okay if you both have the same brand, both are of the same brand. But let's say you get a Wi-Fi extender and my ISP, the router provided by my ISP, is of a different brand. I'm not sure how well they would work, but we'll find out in the next video when I'll test practically and test all the speed differences, what I get from the mesh, from the Wi-Fi extender, and the power line adapter. We'll see. Okay, now let's open up this one and this one. Oh, nothing there. And here is the power adapter, I guess. Is okay, so I get one Ethernet cable and 3 power adapters. Let me open this. Wow, oh, not really looking. So you get the adapter based on the place, based on the country where you live. So 2 adapters and 1 Ethernet, because you need 1 Ethernet to attach it to the main one, and the manual as well. Yeah, installation guide. Yeah, so that's the reason they have given you 1 Ethernet. So yeah, those are the things. Nothing else as far as I can see. Okay, all in this box. Okay. So that's it, guys. Catch you in the next one. It's a short video. Just wanted to show the new device. Hope it helps. See ya. Bye bye.